So I'm printing one of these. I added a little bit of tape to it, and then it did this crap. It's like, oh man. It's like, I don't know what the hell to do with this damn thing. I think what I want to do is get the glass and put the tape on the bottom side and try and get it completely level. And I think as long as that's level, it'll stick to the glass a little bit better. I don't know. I don't like using the tape, but it definitely does stick to it when it's all the same height. So, but this, either the glass or this aluminum down here is warped, and it dips in the middle. So, you end up having to be like really tight over here. And then like what was happening yesterday was I was printing all the way out to here, and it was too close to the print head. So, but in the middle it was just right. So it kind of sucks. The other thing too is, I don't know, this print head really will let blobs just come out, and so if you get it sitting there and it's, warming up, I mean, this thing really flows. Like, it says it's a .04 or whatever the hell. But anyway, a bit tired. It flows. The other printer has supposedly the same print nozzle, and it doesn't do that, really. I'm wondering if that one's possibly slightly plugged up. But I mean, it's printing fine, so I don't know. But I noticed that this one definitely does that. So I'm printing the Ham Radio Dudes wire winder. I don't know, you guys probably seen his channel. He does a lot of different stuff on HTs and all sorts of stuff. Ham Radio Dude. And then is it like a cartoon character of himself or his channel logo? I watch his channel occasionally on radios and stuff like that, so I know which ones not to worry about buying or reviewing. Anyway, he has a couple things on Thingiverse, and I thought this was going to be a little bit larger, but maybe I'll upscale it or something. I am definitely cooking through this bright green filament, so if I keep it up, I think it'll be gone by the end of the week. I got the Xiegu G90 rails. I'll go show you guys those real quick. So, when doing these, this stuff kind of blobs up. These are way too much. There's no reason that these rails should be this big for a G90. Also, I screwed up and I didn't think about it, but they're right and left, but they're both the same size. This one I did print the supports here so that I wouldn't end up with like all the screwy stuff here that I had to melt. But anyway, so this is a G90 versus an 891 rail, and whoever designed these, well, they made it really too thick. So, it's cool, but it's a waste of plastic. So, and it means it takes a really long time. If I can get into the CAD software, I will redesign these more like these. I mean, these are cool, but I don't think I'm going to put them on the G90. Anyway, I don't know. I'm not a fan of BNC connectors. Like, it seems like all the QRP dudes want to use, BNC connectors for everything. It's like, okay, I get it. It's smaller, but I don't like BNC connectors. Not my thing. I don't like soldering them on the coax. I don't like dealing with them. So, these are spaced the same. I think maybe there might be a slight difference, but you'll have something like that. I'll go ahead and put them on there later on today. Let's see what they look like.